I'm going to be making some Christmas cookies called Snowballs. You might also know them by the name of Mexican wedding cookies, Russian tea cakes, pecan sandies. There's a lot of names for these cookies, but one thing they have in common is they are delicious. For these cookies, you will need a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, and 2 cups of pecans chopped. And then you'll need a little bit extra powdered sugar for rolling the cookies in when they're done. In my bowl, I have a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and get this all mixed together. Next, we're going to add the flour and the pecans. And on low speed, we'll get this mixed together. And then just roll these into 1-inch scoop cookies. We'll place it on a sheet tray that's been lined with parchment paper. You kind of have to work the dough. Just the warmth of your hand brings the dough together. Just kind of roll them into a round shape the best you can. I'm going to work on getting the rest of these done. We're going to place these cookies in a 325 preheated oven for about 18 minutes, give or take 2 minutes on either side. Once the cookies have baked, just take them out and roll them around in some powdered sugar to coat them. And then I usually double coat them. I'll wait about 15 minutes and then roll them around in the sugar again. You can see why they call them snowballs. It's been about 15-20 minutes. I'm just going to re-roll these cookies in the powdered sugar and get a little thicker coating on them. This recipe is going to make 30 snowballs. And once you take a bite of these, they're like a shortbread. It just melts in your mouth and it's just so yummy.